Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So today we're going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to change a Gmail password. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Now of course there's several reasons as to why you would want to change your password anyway. So this should hopefully help you guys out. So here we are on the Google account. Now you can access this easily by just going onto your top right. It'll be on the actual tab bar. You just select on that and then you would go and manage your Google account. And then once you've selected the manage your Google account, it'll open up a new tab for you, which is on the Google account. Now it's saying here, it'll welcome with the username, of course. As you can see, privacy and personalization, security tips, anything like that. But we don't need to actually focus on that. Where we need to go is towards the actual data or the security. So select on the security. Now, as you can see, it'll tell you when you've recently signed in and how you would sign into Google. So you would see straight away there. So there's a two-step verification. Use your phone to sign in, and the one that we're looking for is password. So all you would need to do is select on the password. Now it's saying there that I've changed it at February 4th on 2022. So this would probably be due a change. It's always good to keep changing your password so you don't get hacked or no one can access your account. So all you would need to do is select that. Now of course you'll get to this part where it'll ask you to go ahead and verify if it's you. So then you would go ahead and type your password in. But of course, make sure that you type in your the right password. So of course, once you've typed in your the right password, this is when it'll ask you whether you want to change the password, of course. So of course, there is a strength to the password. So it'll ask you to choose at least 8 characters and make sure you don't use any passwords from any other sites. Now, of course, it's as simple as that. And of course, it will manage the strength. Now it's saying that the password strength is strong. All you would need to do is confirm new password and then change the password. So that is pretty much a quick and simple tutorial on how to change your Google or Gmail account password. If you guys have any questions at all regarding the video, please do let us know in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much.